guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Michaela Janelin, aka Piscesfinest, and today's video is going to be on how I managed to slay this $50, $40, $30, it was like $42, but something like that, cheap synthetic wig that is from itsawig.com. It is called Dara, and I got it in the color burgundy. I'm gonna leave all the links to the wig. If I find it cheaper places, I'll leave links there too in the description. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wear this, how I got it to look natural. Yes, how I got that to look like that. And yeah, I really like this wig. It came with combs. If you have a big head like me, it does not even fit on my head, so I had to do the straps in the back. Like, it's still not even fitting on my head, but yeah, stay tuned on all the details, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, enjoy. Why is my battery not that already? Okay, this is what it looks like out of the bag. This is what the bag looks like. This wig is called the It's a Wig Dara S Lace Frontal 13-6, which means that it's 13 inches wide and 6 inches deep of parting space. This is what it looks like, and then comes with a card and some foam. Oh god, yes, it's kind of purple. I'm gonna part it on the middle right there, and I'm gonna pluck it so it looks more natural. One comb right here on the side, and then another one on the other side, and then there's one on the bottom where the tag is. So I'm gonna here's how it looks after. cut it pretty close to the where the hairline starts, because I don't like having extra lace. So this is the finished wig. It's losing its curl. Like, it used to be really curly right here, used to curl back, but it's losing that, and I don't have a curling iron, so there's nothing I can do about it. But this is the finished product. I think it is pretty good for an inexpensive synthetic wig. The color is really nice. It goes like into purple, I think. you could like see. I don't know. But yeah, if you have a curling iron, that should like take care of that, but I don't have one. Should probably stop touching it because it's probably making it worse. But thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, I will be doing a lot more synthetic wig slay videos, because I know a lot of my subscribers and followers really like it when I tell them which synthetic wigs I'm wearing and how I put them on, how I get them to look like they look.